Now I want you to take everything that you've learned in these past 6 lessons and create your first budget. Don't worry, I'm gonna be here to walk you step by step through every single part of creating your first budget. ¿Listos? Okay, the first thing I need you to do is list out all of your income. Any dinero that you expect to get this upcoming month, write it down. Whether you get paid once a month, twice a month, every single week, write all that dinero down. Now, if you have more than one job, if you have a side hustle, make sure that you write that dinero down too. If it's your birthday and you're expecting some regalos, make sure you write that money down. Any money that you're expecting this month, write it all down. Go ahead, pause this video right now and write down all the expected income you expect this month. Boom, you're 1/3 of the way done. Now, let's get you to write down all of your fixed expenses. Now remember, your fixed expenses are all the things that cost the same amount every single month, or they may already automatically be taken out of your checking account. Let's start with housing. Go ahead and write down your rent or your mortgage. Next, go ahead with utilities. Write down how much you spend on cable, on water, electricity, internet, cell phone, any of those, go ahead, write them down. And then let's go with subscriptions. If you have a gym subscription, write down the cost of that and make sure que lo estás usando. And now let's write down your entertainment subscriptions. If you have, Disney, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, Spotify, Apple, any of those, go ahead and write those down if they automatically get deducted from your checking account or get charged somehow. And let's also remember to include your credit card payments, student loan payments, car insurance, a car payment, anything that gets automatically taken out, that gets charged the same amount every single month. I need you to write that down right now. Go ahead, pause the video, write down every single thing, add up all of your fixed expenses so we could subtract that from your income. Go. Ándale. Pause the video. Hopefully you still have money left over because now I need you to calculate your flexible expenses. Remember, your flexible expenses can vary from month to month. So right now I just need you to estimate how much you think you're gonna spend on each of the flexible expense categories. Go ahead and write down. How much do you think you're gonna spend on groceries, on eating out, on gas, on giving family money, regalos, entertainment, clothing, tacos, arepas? Okay, I'm getting hungry. Go ahead, write down how much you expect to spend on anything that maybe you don't spend on every single month, but this month you're gonna be spending money on it. Add them up and subtract that amount from what you calculated earlier. The income minus the fixed expenses minus the flexible expenses. Ándale, go ahead, right now. I'm waiting for you. Yay, you've created your first budget. And just so you know, the difference between your income, fixed expenses, flexible expenses is called your discretionary income or extra cash flow. Maybe right now it's a positive number, maybe it's 0, maybe it's a negative number. You'll learn more in the upcoming weeks how to adapt your budget. Right now, we are just happy. Yay! You created a budget. You created a budget.